All right, let's look at our International Standard Book numbers. This is on your notes page. It's towards the back. Before you get to the very, very back, it's the second page, the front of the first page. So on most books published since 2007, there will be two identification numbers on the back, a 13-digit number called the 13-digit International Standard Book Number, or ISBN 13, and the 10-digit number called the 10-digit ISBN, or ISBN 10. The 10-digit ISBN detects 100% of single-digit errors and 100% of transposition errors. A correctly coded 10-digit ISBN, A1, A2, A3, etc., has the property that 10 times your first number plus 9 times your second plus 8 times your third plus 7 times your fourth, and it just keeps going down until you get to your last number. Okay? Once you have that, it needs to be evenly divisible by 11. Evenly divisible by 11. So let's go ahead and look at example 11. A textbook has the 10-digit ISBN of this. Is the number valid? So here we are going to go ahead and build our framework. So 10 times the number plus 9 times the number plus 8 times the number plus 7 times the number plus 6 times the number plus 5 times the number plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus the original, like the last number. Go ahead and pause this if I'm going too fast. Take your time and pause it and get everything loaded in. So my number that I have, I'm going to put this in a different color, is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 2, 4, 7, 3, 6. So that's my full number. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and do all of those, kind of do all the multiplication here. So 10 times 1 is 10. 9 times 4 is 36. Plus 48. That's that one. Plus 28. That's this one. Plus 6. Plus 10. Plus 16. Plus 21. Plus 6. And then plus 6. So pause this video and go ahead and add up all of those and then come back. All right, once you add them all up, you should have 187. And then to check and see if it's valid, I'm going to take that 187 and divide by 11. And when I do that on my calculator, I get 11. And so, yes, I know that this is a valid number. Okay, so we say, yes, it's valid, but make sure you show your work. Had this had any decimals, then that would not be true. All right, now we look at example 12. If the weighted sum of the digits of an ISBN number, excluding the check digit, is 87, what is the check digit? All right, so that means that I do this whole thing and I get 87. And I get X. Now, this is a little bit different. The way that I would find my check digit, it is the last number. So that's why I can just put X. I don't have to put 2 times X or 10 times X or anything. So the way to handle this is to take 87 and divide by 11, and I get 7.9. So I'm going to stick this over here. 87 divided by 11 equals 7.9. Now, I know that it goes in at least 7 times. It's close to 8, so I'm going to use 8. So I'm going to do 8 times 11. So 8 times 11 should give me 88. So I want this whole thing to be 88 in order to be divisible by 11. If you feel more comfortable making a chart for all of the numbers divisible by 11, go for it. It's just as easy to take the number, divide, and then go up 1 from it. So in order to get from 87 to 88, I need a number 1. So x is going to equal 1, right? Because 87 plus 1 equals 88. All right, so this here is the information that I want you to stick on your table for ISBN, and then must be divisible by 11. And let's go ahead and I'm going to go back to my chart. This is what I have written. So go ahead and pause this so that you've got the information you need. And then this was the example that we did on the page. So that's what I had here. So if you want to transfer that over there, you're more than welcome to, or just keep it in your notes. And so after you complete this, you're going to go to monitoring progress. And that's on the back of your notes. And then you should be able to complete the last 2 problems. If you have not completed the ones prior to that, right, you want to complete all. So number 1 through 6 is what you want to complete on that. If you finish that, you can go over to practice 8.1. And you should have everything that you need to be able to complete that. So you guys have quite a bit of work to work on at this point.